In this video, I want to walk you through the process or the strategy of AI plus PLR equal profit, because honestly, this is not about pushing a few buttons and watching cash fall from the sky. But today, yesterday, over the last 7 days, and the last 30 days, I have made real money using this exact step-by-step strategy that I'm going to show you. I'm going to unpack everything for you following a simple, proven roadmap to build a profitable online business. It starts with my proven top strategy. This is about generating traffic to an offer and putting people on an email list to profit and scale your online business. Starts with picking a topic. You need some tools, some tech, and some time. Then you need to create some consistent content. This block here is about creating an offer. Typically, this is what or where people think about PLR, private label rights content that you license. They think about it only being used here. But in reality, you can use it to build an email list. You can use it to automate passive income. It can become more offers. It can also be a bonus. It can for sure be a super simple lead magnet. And most definitely, it is consistent content when you think about it in the right way or using the right strategy. There's a link in the description to this bonus page. The bonus page headline is how to build and sell original AI powered products in minutes without getting stuck in what do I do with this PLR mode. This is a PLR package that is called the AI Automation Goldmine. It is a 7-step system to fast automated income. It is a set of content, or it is digital content. This is what I just brought up here. These are the files. It comes as a .zip file. It's a digital file. You open it up, you have all these resources to include the AI Automation Goldmine, the 7-step system to fast automated income. When you open this up, this is the starting point for understanding that this is where you start by breaking down what this product is by simply looking at the contents. The table of contents tells you what it is. This is the AI opportunity. Why now is the best time? Common fears about AI and the fact that they're debunked. Who is this system for? What you'll learn in this book. Why it matters. A final word before we begin. Step 1, discover profitable opportunities. Step 2, choose. Step 2, choose the right AI tools. Step 3, automate content creation. Step 4, build AI-powered lead funnels. Step 5, oops, I missed it. Step 5, sell with smart AI sales systems. Step 6, scale with workflows and delegation. Step 7, launch, track, and optimize. Conclusion, turning the system into your reality. The reality of thinking about taking PLR, breaking it down into a system that makes you money today, just like I did yesterday, like I've done over the last 7 days, over the last 30 days with a real proven strategy. My proven top strategy is about getting traffic. For right now, let's just not worry about offer and people. Let's just think about this PLR, the topic, AI automation, as a topic. The tools, the tech, and the time. Tools, tech, and time is about thinking, what do I need to put into my toolbox as a marketer and as a content creator using content marketing? That's what this strategy does. It shows you how to build content to generate traffic to an offer and then put people on an email list. So literally you just go through these 9 steps and then you profit and scale. The big thing that people miss is they don't see how the PLR fits into this. And that's what I want to show you. That's why I showed you the outline of this document. This document is stuffed, packed with valuable information that you're going to use for everything. Now, you click the link in the description and you're going to get access to this AI Automation Goldmine outliner. It's one of the main bonuses because the first thing in this strategy, thinking about using AI plus PLR to equal profit, is to think about this product that you bought, AI Automation Goldmine, just thinking about the content here. How can I flip this or transform this into something that becomes my own product? Because this is truly about, when you look at a real strategy, traffic to an offer, your own unique offer, or letting people know about how you can help them solve a problem with an affiliate product, creating a bonus using the PLR that you purchased, and then thinking about more offers or creating your own offers that become more offers from the PLR that you purchased. Then you're going to build an email list with the people that have seen this and are interested, from your content to super simple lead magnet. And then automate passive income is just about creating an automated sequence of information, more information about the problem that this PLR is going to solve, the 7-step system to fast automated income. Now, you take this and all this information, the GPT, the link in the description, this is my bonus page. Scroll down here, it's going to tell you about the PLR and everything that is in it. But the bonus that you're getting down here is you're getting the AI automated Goldmine outliner GPT. This is the demo version of this that I'm giving you. And when I say demo version, I'm just showing you how this works. This actually works. You just click create a new outline, and you probably saw the other video that I've done about this PLR where I really deep dive into this, whereas this is a full deep dive strategy session with you about using this product and this bonus. Now I've clicked this button and I have come up with a new product angle and a hook. The new product name is going to be AI Automation Freedom Blueprint, with a core promise of turn your skills, side hustle, or idea into a 90-day AI income system that works while you don't, even if you're starting from scratch. It picks you a target audience and it positions you to create a unique product with these 5 different modules. Outside or inside of these 5 modules, you take out the content that is in this PLR product. You follow what I call the LDT model to come back down here to a proven strategy to generate traffic. You now have a topic. You're going to create consistent content. I love to do it here on YouTube. You can do wherever you like, but I'm telling you, YouTube is the place to do this. That's going to lead people over to a super simple lead magnet. This GPT gives you all that information to start building out that content. It also gives you a lead magnet outline, the 10-minute AI funnel checklist. It also gives you emails. Now here, this 5 email follow-up sequence, this is what we're talking about here when we're talking about automated passive income. It gets really messy, but you can just erase it and start back in the beginning with me, saying we need to build a solid foundation of traffic by picking a topic. We can do that by purchasing this PLR. The tools, the tech, and the time, AI, I'm showing you how to use that now. I'm giving you a GPT to outline and give you new content, give you a super simple lead magnet to put people onto your email list, and then an automated passive income sequence that will lead to profit and scale, all right here with these 5 email follow-ups. All you have to do is pick an affiliate offer, or you just come up here and you create your own offer. These are things that will come as you figure this out. But understand, the link in the description is about picking up this complete package with full PLR rights on the specific topic of AI automation and how it's a gold mine, and 7 complete steps to create your own product. And all you have to do is go back to the AI Automation Goldmine Outliner by Prompt Psyops, click this button. It's going to generate a fresh new idea for you to start creating a product. Also, part of the bonus is this AI Automation Goldmine PLR bonus Google Doc. You're going to make a copy of this and save this to your Google Drive. This is your product as well. You get full PLR rights to everything here, to include your own personal version of a PLR product outliner that you can use, or you can take this and build your own GPT to outline any PLR that you purchase or that you already have. And you could sell this, use this blueprint as your own personal blueprint, or sell it. It's yours. You get PLR rights to it, but you also get this idea or concept. Again, focus on the AI Automation Goldmine PLR that you're purchasing, and turning it into a full monetization system by creating a meta prompt framework. Now, this is the Prompt Psyops Level 10 version based on my philosophy of prompt psyops and what this means to me based on the idea prompt psyops is here for you as a marketer and a content creator to create more clear and concise messaging, but you get private label rights to this. The only thing you can't do is use my brand. And what this teaches you is how to turn PLR into profit with AI by building out each one of these assets that you need using this proven strategy. You need a lead magnet. A tripwire is always a good idea. A core offer, an upsell to that core offer, continuity, making money, building recurring revenue. That's what we're talking about here. Then it just moves into a different mode where you are stacking strategists to build your own marketing team. And these are 4 strategists that I think you should have on your team. And those strategists are going to walk through this step by step or the 7 prompt psyop stages to actually build out a full product, a funnel that you can plug in to this idea or this strategy that we've already talked about. Because at the end of the day, it's about traffic, picking a topic, creating consistent content, letting people know about the offer that you have. And that's a terrible circle. The offer that you have in the beginning, you just need one offer. That's why more offers is over here, because as you build this out and as you do the work, do the process, follow the strategy, you're going to start looking at what others are doing. And at the same time, you're adding people, you're building your email list, you're automating that. So when people find your content, they land on your super simple lead magnet, they land on your email list. This is running for you 24/7 in the background, right? This is what we talk about, automating and earning passive income, building recurring revenue and have it on autopilot to profit and scale your business. All this is in my strategy that is here on the channel. I give away for free. And it's why I'm talking you through this process. So you see the big picture that you're getting all this content, and all you need to do is come back down here when you activate this AI automation Goldmine PLR monetization system via this meta prompt framework. I'm going to come back down here because I just sort of skipped over this part, but there are variables that you set here, the PLR title and the PLR scope. This is set for the AI automation Goldmine. But if you take this document right here, the AI automation Goldmine PLR bonus that you get full PLR rights to this blueprint and to this meta framework, you're going to save this to your Google Drive. Then you could do exactly what I'm doing here and walk through a real proven simple step-by-step strategy. And if you have any questions, all you got to do is reach out to me, because you're going to get access to me in my private Facebook client, my private client group over on Facebook. I also have a paid school group that you can join for additional one-on-one access to me. But check this out. I uploaded the AI automation Goldmine PLR bonus, the Google Doc. I just uploaded to Gemini, and I put in a simple prompt that talks about, I understand the single click button GPT you built that creates products solely around the AI automation Goldmine PLR product. I get that. I also want to use the product with other PLR and wanted to clarify just how to do that with your prompt psyops bonus. This right here, full disclosure, this was actually an email. This was a question that a client sent me after they picked up the bonus. And I explained this to them, and I was thinking, everyone needs to see this because this is a great question. And if one person is asking me this question, tons of other people have this same question. They just aren't willing, or they don't think that I'm available for them to reach out to me. Maybe you haven't purchased anything from me, either as an affiliate or through an affiliate link or one of my products. So you don't think that you have access to me. But once you purchase anything through me, you become my client. But here on YouTube, this is about me imparting the fact that this is what I do. I do this, what I'm talking to you about. This is part of what I do. And all you need to do is upload this Google Doc, and you can just pause this video and just type this in, or just ask it what you're thinking about this bonus. And you'll see that the AI is going to be able to assist you. And it's going to say, hello, this is an excellent question about adapting the system for other PLR products. Your personal PLR product outliner GPT blueprint and the prompt psyops level 10 meta prompt system are designed to be flexible frameworks. That's why I built them the way I built them. Unbranded, generic, and I'm showing you that I really use the prompt science philosophy to build and operate my online business using AI, but I also give you PLR rights to bonuses and to other products that you purchase, so you can strip away the prompt psyops and use the foundations and the core, and then just spin it to develop your own brand and your own philosophy as you start doing these things. As you're learning, as you're doing, then this will all come together. But here's a breakdown of the bonus structure document. Is the AI automation goldmine philosophy integral? The general philosophy of turning PLR into a monetizable product ecosystem is integral to the system, but the specific content of AI automation goldmine is not hard-coded, meaning you can use this for any PLR. Here is how you do it. You just change the PLR file, and it's going to show you the variables that you need to change. It's going to show you how and what each one of these variables are right now and how you can change them with some examples. And then by changing just these variables, you're instructing the 4 expert roles. Again, the 4 expert roles that I've identified here inside of the level 10 prompt psyops AI automation goldmine PLR monetization system and the meta prompt framework. You're going to instruct these 4 roles inside of your marketing strategist team to execute these different stages by changing these variables. And AI is telling you how to do that. And it's walking you through the process, step 1, step 2, the changes that you need to make. And it's showing you an example. And it's telling you by updating these core variables, the entire prompt psyop system will re-architect your new PLR content into a structured, monetizable product ecosystem ready for launch. Or a better way to say that, ready for you to implement the proven top strategy. My proven top strategy is built on traffic first, the foundation, picking a topic that the PLR gives you, the tools, the tech, and the time. Part of that is AI, part of that is PLR. The rest is just saying, okay, how do I create consistent content? For example, how do I make a YouTube video? I record my screen and I just post it on YouTube. Then I need to let people know about an offer. An offer is a solution to a problem. And then those people that see your content and look at your offer, you're going to let them know, hey, if you get on my email list, I got some more great information for you. And of course, you automate that through the emails that were built with pushing that one button around this idea of turning this PLR into content, and then you profit and scale through affiliate offers or your own product that you can eventually, or you will eventually build after you take this PLR, break down the process, go through the strategy step by step to go from or to utilize PLR and AI, PLR plus AI equal profit with a proven strategy, traffic to an offer, put people on an email list. 3 things that everyone needs to build and operate a profitable online business. Starting with this bonus, and the fact that this bonus gets you started with PLR and AI. It also gets you access to me one-on-one if you have a specific question that you want to ask me after watching and purchasing this PLR and getting rolling and get this process rolling with the strategy that I've given you in this video and the video that you'll actually get, the brainstorming session, which is included in that bonus as well. The link is in the description. Check out this PLR. It honestly is dirt cheap. Even if the launch price has closed out, it's still a crazy value for what you're going to get when you purchase it and become a client of mine and you follow through with the strategy. Thanks for checking out this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.